Hi there. I have my little Valentine's Day shirt on. Want to give a shout out to everybody who's going to be celebrating this weekend. And the scripture that kind of touched me today that I want to share with you is from Ephesians, and it's 5:33. Short and simple. Nevertheless, let each one of you in particular so love his own wife as himself, and let the wife see that she respects her husband. And the reason that I wanted to share that with you is because it's Valentine's Day weekend, and I know a lot of you guys are going to be going out and doing things. And women, don't expect your man to read your mind. And if you want something special for this weekend, let him know. Don't put that pressure on him to figure you out, read your mind. The one thing I want to share too is just my own personal story. Is I was a full-on woman's liber, and there were a lot of good things that came out from that, empowering women for jobs and things like that, but there was also a lot of wrong things that go against the Lord. And so I just want to encourage you to respect your husbands and not feel like you have to be the boss of the house or making all the decisions, that it should be a joint thing, and that you should do this together, this life thing together. And I know for me, I was very strong-willed and just felt like I knew everything and that I could be my own woman and not to submit to my husband. And I have learned that since doing it God's way and submitting to my husband and showing him respect, it's easy for women to love. That God just made us that way, and I think that's why in the Bible it says, men, love your wives, and women, respect your husband, because it's easy to do those things. Men get the respect thing and women get the love thing, but to show it towards each other can be challenging. And so I know for me that over the years God had to strip me of that just self-righteous, stubborn, I can do it my way kind of attitude, and that I needed to show my husband respect, and I need to build him up and speak kind words and uplifting words, and not to put him down to girlfriends and do the things that so many of us women have been known to do over the years, is to have the girl talk, and it gets where they're men bashing. And I used to be part of that, so I'm not telling you anything that I haven't done in the past, but nowadays when I hear it, I don't like it. And I want to lift up my husband. I want to make him feel good. I want him to know that I appreciate the man that he is and the provider that he is for our household, and the way he is as a dad. And so I just want to encourage you to lift your man up, respect your man, submit. I know that was a hard word for me when I first heard about it, but I just want to really encourage you guys. So happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. I know it's a long weekend, so enjoy that too. God bless. Bye.